25 key settings you need to change on your iPhone. Your iPhone is packed with features, but some important settings are hidden by default. Tweaking these 25 key options can boost your privacy, improve battery life, enhance usability, and make your device truly yours. Let's dive in and unlock your iPhone's full potential. Enable call screening. Stop spam calls with Apple's call screening. Go to Settings, Apps, Phone, then enable Ask Reason for Calling under Screen Unknown Callers. Your iPhone will screen unknown calls silently and show you the caller's reason before you decide to answer. Also, turn on Hold Assist detection to get alerts when someone returns to a call after putting you on hold. Turn on RCS. Apple now supports RCS, making texts with Android users better. Think typing indicators, read receipts, and higher quality media. It's off by default, so go to Settings, Apps, Messages, RCS messaging, and switch it on for a better texting experience. Customize the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center, then tap the plus icon or hold an empty space to customize. Add, remove, or rearrange shortcuts and widgets, even across multiple pages. You can also tweak your home screen by changing icon size, color, and layout. Change lock screen buttons. You can swap the flashlight and camera shortcuts on your lock screen. Just press and hold the lock screen, tap Customize, then remove or add shortcuts using the plus-minus icons. You can also adjust widgets, clock style, font, colors, and wallpaper. Extend screen timeout. If your screen dims too quickly, you can change the timeout. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, Auto Lock, and choose a longer time, or select Never to keep it on until you turn it off manually. Turn off keyboard sounds. That keyboard click is annoying, especially to others. To silence it, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Keyboard Feedback, and turn off sound. While you're there, consider turning off lock sound too. Go dark. Reduce glare by switching to dark mode. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, and select dark. You can also toggle automatic to switch modes based on time of day. Set a battery charge limit. To extend battery lifespan, limit charging to 80%. Go to Settings, Battery, Charging, and set the slider to stop at 80. You can also turn off optimized battery charging if you prefer more control. Enable adaptive power mode. Worried about battery life? Go to Settings, Battery, Power Mode, and turn on Adaptive Power. It automatically adjusts settings like brightness and performance to help your battery last longer when usage spikes. Customize the action button. On iPhone 15 Pro, 16, or 17, the mute switch is now an action button. By default, it silences your phone, but you can change its function in Settings, Action button. Choose from options like camera or flashlight, or select shortcuts for more advanced actions. Customize camera control. The iPhone 16's camera control button snaps photos with a tap and records videos with a long press. Outside the app, it activates visual intelligence. You can also swipe it to change styles or zoom, but it's often too sensitive. Go to Settings, Camera, Camera Control, and disable light press and swipe for better control. Turn off Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence isn't perfect yet, and Siri needs improvement. To disable it fully or partially, go to Settings, Apple Intelligence and Siri, and toggle it off for selective options. Check our guide on turning off Apple Intelligence. Hide sensitive apps. To keep apps private, tap and hold the icon, then choose Require Face ID to lock it, or Hide and Require Face ID to hide it in a hidden folder in the app library. Both need Face ID to access. Stop videos autoplaying or looping. If you find it irritating that videos automatically play as you scroll through the Photos app, or it bugs you that they loop and repeat instead of stopping at the end, you can change that behavior. Tap Settings, Apps, then Photos, and scroll down to toggle Autoplay Motion and Loop Videos off. Enhance speech in movies and TV shows. It can be tough to make out the dialogue in some TV shows and movies, but Apple has a fix for muffled speech on your iPhone. When you're playing a video, tap the screen to bring up the menu and select the audio icon. You can select Enhance Dialogue and choose Enhance or Enhance More to make the voices louder and clearer. Set up Do Not Disturb. At least silence your iPhone at night to avoid disruptions. Go to Settings, Focus, Do Not Disturb to customize notifications and allow exceptions for certain contacts or apps. Use Screen Time down to Downtime to schedule it daily. Change default apps. You can replace Safari, Mail, and other Apple apps with your favorites. Go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, and choose from installed alternatives for email, messaging, browser, and more. Keep iCloud files local. To access iCloud files offline, open the Files app, go to Browse, iCloud Drive, then tap and hold a file or folder and select Keep Downloaded to save it locally on your iPhone. Limit app permissions. Review and restrict app permissions in Settings, Privacy, and Security. Focus on location services, turn off precise location when possible, and check apps with access to contacts and photos using limited access if available. Change Siri's voice. Pick a new Siri voice in Settings, Apple Intelligence, and Siri Voice. Choose from various accents and styles. Downloads may take a moment. My favorite? Irish Voice 2. Set email shortcut. Skip typing your full email. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard, Text Replacement, tap the plus, and create shortcuts like EML for your email or any frequently used text. Show notifications on lock screen. To see message previews without unlocking, go to Settings, Notifications, Show Previews, and choose Always, When Unlocked, Default, or Never. Turn on live translation. Live translation works in phone, FaceTime, and messages on iPhone 15 Pro Plus with iOS 26. Calls auto-translate speech, FaceTime shows live captions, one-to-one in select languages, and messages can auto-translate texts. Enable Apple Intelligence, turn on live captions in Control Center for FaceTime, and toggle Automatically Translate in messages. Create AI art. Try AI art with the Playground app by choosing photos, themes, or typing prompts. It's available on Apple devices with iOS 18.2, iPadOS 18.2, or macOS Sequoia 15.2. Check out the full guide for details. Reduce car sickness. If using your iPhone as a passenger makes you nauseous, go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, Vehicle Motion Cues. Turn it on manually or set it to activate automatically when in a car.
I hope you enjoyed this informative video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. It's free, and it really helps support more research and content like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay curious.